Good morning, everyone. Happy FRIYAY. It is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. We are going to stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for our school song. A green and white, 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 a green and white. One's off for school, the greatest school. 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 In East Brunswick, in New Jersey, there is one star for school. We show kindness to everyone to make our future bright. A green and white, 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 a green and white. Teachers, staff, and parents too help make our future bright. Fine upstanders who set examples help make our future bright. One's up for school, the greatest school. 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 Okay, I'm so proud of all of you for making it through week 3 of distance learning, and you have finally made it to spring break. Your opinion essays on should we still have a spring break were phenomenal, and you guys were very convincing. Those of you who said that we shouldn't have it had really great reasons, and those of you who said we should still have one also had really great reasons. So I think I'm kind of torn right down the middle. So let's take a look at what is due today, okay? So today here's our check-in. Make sure to do it, and make sure to check out your Flipgrid. And today on Friday, you have your freckle assignment of the day. Remember, this one is mandatory. It's not optional. Your well-rounded person is due today. You need to listen to Because of Winn-Dixie, chapter 24 by today. And you need to do your conclusion paragraph of Should We Still Have Spring Break by today. Remember that your conclusion paragraph has a topic sentence, a restatement of your thesis, and a sentence to leave the reader thinking, okay? So make sure you include all of those in your conclusion paragraph. And you have optional activities as well, as always, and one of those on this Friday is to write me a Friday letter if you would like, and I will write back, okay? You have your 5 senses scavenger hunt that you can still do. I noticed that Ronan and Ashley did it, and they did a really, really nice job. It was really fun to watch, so if you're feeling a little bored at home, make sure that you check this out. And here are your Feel Good Friday notes. So, Bella, I can't believe you had ice cream for breakfast. So cool. Adrian, I love how you shared the chocolate chip cookies you made. Haley, I really love your hair in a ponytail. Mia Gann, you have been doing an awesome job on your opinion writing. Abby, I was so happy to see you on our Zoom meeting. Bowen, I love that you shared your fun fact about the longest noodle ever. Isha, I'm so glad that you showed me your stuffed dog on Flipgrid. Dael, it makes me laugh when you say you are spying on us. Noah, your opinion writing is top-notch. Keep up the good work. Joshua, you are doing an amazing job with the reading assignments. Mia M., your Flipgrids with your dog make me smile. Jackson, I love how you are reading to your pets. How cool. Priya, I'm so glad that you were able to join our Zoom meeting at the end. Bradley, I'm so glad that I got to see you during Zoom. Leia, your yoga Flipgrids are amazing. Ashley, I love how you said you keep calm by dancing. I love that. Nick, I think it's so cute when you show Ava in your Flipgrids. Harry, I love that you shared how Andrew and Izzy had a bake-off. So fun. Larry, you are so tech-savvy and doing a great job keeping up with all of this. Isabella, I can't believe you do a Zoom dance class. That's amazing. And last but not least, Ronan, I'm amazed at all of your Legos you are building. So here are your Feel Good Friday notes, and I hope that everyone has an amazing spring break, okay? Stay healthy, shine bright, and be kind. Have a good day.